Hello everyone, welcome back to Lifestyle Compass, decoding life sciences from education to career. In part 1 of our series, Beyond Doctor and Agriculture, Life Sciences Careers You Didn't Know Exist, we explored 4 career paths like biotechnology and biomedical science, forensic science, and genetics and bioinformatics. If you missed it, check out in the description or else it will be attached in the clue card as well. In today's part 2, we are diving 8 more exciting high impact fields in life science careers. So, what's it late? Let's jump into part 2. So, first course, computation biology. So, what is computation biology? Biology, when biology meets AI and big data, that's computation biology. What course structure includes algorithms, molecular modeling, and predictive simulations to understand biology. For example, to make you understand, creating 3D simulations of viruses to test drug effectiveness before trial, that is before clinical trial. So what kind of jobs you land in? Computation biologist, AI researcher in biology, biostatistician, where computer biologist builds models for diseases, where AI research AI researcher in biology uses AI to discover new drug compounds. Likewise, biostatistician analyzes large scale of medical data for research and policy. While moving to next one, environmental science. So, what is environmental science? So, solving Earth's biggest challenges. So, what course structure include climate change, population, sustainability, and environmental policy. One who are enjoy nature and like to learn more about things. This is the perfect subject for them. So, what kind of jobs do you land in? Environmental consultant, climate scientist, sustainability officer. Environmental consultant helps to industries to go green, and climate scientist models future climate impact scenarios, whereas sustainability officer guides eco practices in corporates. While moving to marine biology, so what's marine biology? Exploring mysteries of ocean. One who are interested about the oceans can choose this subject. So what course structure include aquatic ecosystem, oceanography, and marine species behavior, such as tracking coral reef, bleaching due to rising sea temperatures. Job roles that you land in: marine biologist, aquatic ecologist, and oceanographer. Marine biologist studies marine organisms and ecosystems. Aquatic ecologist monitors water quality and aquatic biodiversity. Oceanographer examines ocean currents and climate systems. While moving to wildlife careers, one who like one who fond of animals and would like to discover the wildlife can choose this program. So, defender of wilds. So, what course structure include animal conservation, population ecology, and behavior science, like using GPS to monitor tiger populations in protected areas. So, what kind of jobs you land in? Wildlife biologist, conservation scientist, and zoo researcher. Whereas wildlife biologist studies endangered species and habitats, while scientist restores ecosystem and protects biodiversity. Whereas zoo researcher improves captive animal welfare through science. Let's move to other one, pharmacology. So this is the perfect subject, one who missed to become a doctor, but still they want to help with the patients. This is the right one. So pharmacology, science beyond safe and medical effectiveness. That is safety and efficacy of medicines. So what course structure include drug action, drug metabolism, side effects, that is adverse events and pharmacokinetics. Likewise, developing a non-addictive alternative to opioids. So what kind of jobs you land in? Pharmacologist, clinical research, toxicologist. Whereas pharmacologist creates test to new drugs, researcher runs a clinical drug trials, and toxicologist evaluate drug and chemical safety. Food science, engineering what we eat. That is, course structure include food chemistry, preservation, nutrition, and safety. For instance, extending shelf life of milk with ultra pasteurization. Job roles that you land in: food technologist, quality control analyst, and nutritionist. So, food technologist develops safe, nutritious food products, whereas quality control analyst inspects food compliance with standards, whereas nutritionist advises on diet and public health. While moving to industrial microbiology, microbes that power industry. So what course structure include? Using microbes for industry production of food, fuels and medicines. For instance, using bacteria to clean oil spills or produce biodegradable plastics. So what kind of job roles you land in? Industrial microbiologist, fermentation scientist and bioprocess engineer. So industrial microbiologist produces enzymes, antibiotics and vaccines. Fermentation scientist optimizes yogurt, alcohol and probiotic production. Whereas bioprocess engineer designs scalable systems for biotic production. Last but not least, data science in life science with application of artificial intelligence. So biology meets machine learning here. So what course structure include? Applying artificial intelligence or machine learning to genetics, drug discovery, diagnostics and epidemiology. For example, AI predicting cancer or genetic disorders from DNA data. So what kind of jobs you land in? AI researcher in healthcare, biomedical data scientist and machine learning engineer in pharma. So AI researcher in healthcare builds models for disease detection, whereas biomedical data scientist analyzes massive health databases, whereas machine learning engineer in pharma uses AI to shorten the drug development timelines. As you just seen, life science is galaxy of opportunities and it goes beyond the doctor and agriculture science. From AI powered research to saving endangered species, these careers shape your future. So which of the career caught your eye the most? Drop your comment in the comments and like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more career insights. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Life Science Compass, your guide for education to career.